putting green installation done by Gappsi on Long Island, New York. The putting green is approximately 45 feet long by 25 feet wide. It was installed on 1-inch gravel base and it was topped with 3/8 bluestone chips. We installed a multicolor synthetic turf potting green for the inlay, and we installed a taller grass for the fringe, about 1.25 inches height. Potting green is free formed to look as natural as it can be. We installed 3 holes and flags. The potting green has a natural undulation and slopes, making challenging to the player. This is the latest potting green sports court installation done by Gappsi on Long Island, New York.